Place a little olive oil on here and heat that up. Move that on around. Oh yeah, a little bit hot. That means it's too hot. Turn it down a little bit, don't want it splashing. Yeah, turn it down a little. Add a little butter. Yolk is something I normally don't do. That's okay. I'll do it this time for this fried egg sandwich. A fried egg, broken sandwich. That way it ain't too runny. That's good. Dirty Bird seasoning. Go ahead and flip these. See how well this does. Maybe not great, maybe not great. There we go. Go ahead and sprinkle some cheese all on here. Let that melt up. Go ahead and toast my bread right there. Look at that. 5 a.m. I'm up getting ready to go to work making an egg sandwich. Go ahead and place that right on top of there. Got that melty cheese right there. Got that egg in there. Got some of this donkey sauce, which I showed in the earlier video. Bet that'll get good right on that. Just like that. There it is. Who else likes this? A good old egg sandwich. As you can see, dressed up. It's 5 a.m. Just thought I'd get up and make a quick breakfast. Show you what I got. I gotta get to work. See y'all next time.